In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign contact list in Smartsheet, User Mapping 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. Sign in to your account using your usual credentials or your organization's single sign-on. If you're prompted for verification, just complete it. This part is quick. Once you're in, you'll land on your home area. From here, open your list of workspaces. If you see an option to view all workspaces, click it to expand everything you have access to. This simply reveals your folders and projects so you can pick the right location for your work. Choose the workspace you want to use, then open the specific sheet where you plan to add your new contact list. Inside the sheet, navigate to the far right side of your columns. Hover over the header of the last column and click the three-dot icon. This opens the column menu. You can insert a new column to the left or to the right. In most cases, inserting to the right keeps your existing layout intact, so that's a safe choice. When the new column dialog appears, give your column a clear, practical name. Something like assignee, owner, or point of contact works well. Next, set the column type to contact list. This is what enables people to be selected by name rather than typed as free text. Now configure the contact list settings. If a single task can have more than one responsible person, enable allow multiple contacts per cell. If your process requires a single, accountable owner, keep that off. Then consider restrict to list values only. Turning this on prevents ad hoc names from being typed and ensures users select from your approved list, which reduces typos and keeps automations reliable. Add the contacts you want available in this column. You can start typing to pull from your organization's directory or enter the contacts you regularly assign. If your team uses groups, that can make assignment and permission management more consistent. Click OK and the column will be added to your sheet immediately. You can now click into any cell in that column and start assigning. Type a few letters of a name to search and select. If you allowed multiple contacts, add more within the same cell as needed. A few quick tips to finish. If you inserted the column in the wrong spot, simply drag the column header to reposition it. To adjust settings later, open the column menu again and select the column properties. And remember, contact columns pair perfectly with alerts and workflows, so your assignees get notified automatically. That's all you need to assign a contact list in Smartsheet for clean, consistent user mapping.